just acquired this really high specification Renault Megane diesel. Drives absolutely fantastic. It's got front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels, beautiful colour, got rear privacy glass, rear park distance control, has got reverse camera too. Boot area is in absolutely lovely condition. Has literally just arrived. Half leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, got volume controls there, multifunction steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, start it up, got all your sat nav menu and everything there, reverse camera, park distance control, Bluetooth, driver assistance there. It's got Bose, very high spec Megane indeed. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.